Baltic Dane's finest.
It wound up almost like that.
One and one aft, yeah. One and one forward. We just have to wait for the ship passing. Hvis Carsten havde været ude dengang, Brian han skuttede rundt der, så er han over. Yeah, go everything for now.
Let's go for it. Let's go aft.
Ja, jeg synes også, at den ligger lidt skævt derovre, den der.
Lars Jørgensen.
Ja.
Ja, vi har lige en lille båd liggende hernede agter os. Han kommer op tværs af vores agter nu.
Ja, får lige noget melding om ham, så siger du til, før vi begynder at gå fremad.
Build the contact again. Stand by, build the ship maneuvering.
Ja, hvad siger du til det? Jeg får besked på at stoppe nu, kan jeg høre. Okay, det var godt. Skal vi lige trullet?
Ja. Starbotten.
Daniel, Lars.
Yes, starbotten.
Forward, come back.
Ja, thank you.
Det er overstyrningen på Queen. Der bliver kaldt ind på der. Det er måske Lars Krigsgaard. Er han ikke over?
Det kan over, ja.
Så ham den lille der, Lars, han er ved at være tværs af broen deroppe.
Okay, så skulle han være klar. Ja, tak. Ja, ja. Blue står og sorterer det.
Midship.
Midship. Yes, midship.
Ja.
færdig kl. 7.
Terræn er fra 1.
Ja, lige til sidst, ikke?
Jeg er lidt at sige med den der skide platform ligger der.
Det ser ikke skidt ud.
Daniel Thomas. Daniel Thomas. Good. Stavanger Thomas. Alone. Yeah. Almost. Okay, could you wait 10 minutes? Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Starboard 10.
Starboard den.
Er der hul derovre?
Ja, starboard den.
Indlæggelsen skal vi.
Jeg ligger og laver det.
Helikopter. Det ligger med helikopter i vejret.
Midship.
Mitch. Esbjerg.
Ja.
Vi er tværs af 4'eren nu.
Tværs af 4'eren, ja.
Yes, er god.
Under 15,48. 20 og 30 for.
30 for.
Ja. 25, ja. Ja, lidt Under 40 for.
Ja. Zero 30.
0-3-0.
Zero 3-5.
0-3-5.
Ja.
Yeah, I'm not sure. What I'll do is I'll come back down to the economics area. I'll just look at this first, I'll just take a couple of minutes.
Yeah, that's it, that's it.
On around, basically. But,
Harbour side, West Australia. You're in position now, if you would just make them all up with the bird.
Domestic flights.
012.
Og der er en, der skibsassistent, der lige kan gå ned og tjekke kabine 2010. Vi har fået fra besætning, vi har fået brandvarsel.
Nej, ved du hvad, jeg må mig selv dernede.
Kabine 2010.
The length is 168 meters, I think.
And she's highly stabilized,
Highly stabilized, yeah.
so very comfortable.
Exactly, very comfortable.
Ship handling up here in this harbour is quite tight, isn't it?
It is quite tight, especially because we have this oil production platform obstructing basically the fairway. But the ship is very maneuverable, so it's no problem.
Right. Do you get problems in high winds on the port, or is it pretty good?
Occasionally we have strong winds, and of course, if it's too strong, we can get tugboat assistance.
And at the other end, you don't have problems at the other end?
In the other end also we have occasionally gales and also access to tugboats if necessary. The ship is fitted with twin propeller aft and Becker rudder, and that makes it extremely maneuverable. And in the front we have two bow thrusters with output of 6,000 horsepower. So that's actually quite a lot for a ship size like this. And the ship is capable of laying dead in the water with about 20 meters per second straight on the side. And that's quite an achievement, because it's a strong wind.
So she can turn very easily and move.
Very easily and move. And the ship is rebuilt for a very small port in northern Jutland with frequently strong winds, and that is why the ship has this powerful maneuver capabilities. And the ship is rebuilt by Fjordline, which was the previous owner, and the ship's name was Fjord Norway. A £5 million rebuild when DFDS took it over, and basically the layout of restaurants and cabins are changed, mainly the restaurants and public areas.
I'm going to come back with King on Thursday when I'm back here.